Hi, I'm going to show you how I make the egg tart. I'm using Pillsbury Pie Crust, and I'm using 1 4 hot water, and I'm using 1 cup of sugar. So you mix well with the sugar and hot water. Okay, make sure the hot water and sugar mix well, and you stir it until they melt down. Looks good. I'm using 1/4 of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm using 2 1/4 of milk powder. And the milk powder, do not put in that much water in it right away. You have to throw the egg into it, otherwise they are not smooth. So mix. Then I put more in it. See, they make it smooth like that. Then you put it in the hot sugar water in it. Then you mix. Okay, you just stir until the milk powder all melted in the hot water. Okay, then I'm going to stir the egg. There will be 5 eggs in it. Looks good right now, so I'm going to put it in the one bowl. And I'm going to mix all together. You see the bubble there? I'm going to clean that out. I don't want to see the bubble in it. I'm going to clean out all the bubble, otherwise egg tart they're not going to look good. They don't look smooth. So if you clean that out, they will look really smooth and nice. Okay, they look good. I'm going to put it on the side first. Then I'm going to show you how I make the skin. Okay, I'm going to unroll the dough. I'm going to put it like that. And I'm going to measure the size with that. I'm going to cut it. Okay, this is one of it. Do another one. Put it on the side. We'll do one more. Okay, this is all done. I'm going to put it right here. And and I'm going to make a design in it. You put your second thumb in it and pinch like that. Okay, this is all done. This is one of them. So we'll do another one. Okay, I'll do the same thing. It will be another one. Okay, they're going to be look different style, but will be the same taste. Just look a little bit different. So, see, I'm going to cut it like this. Make sure they look even. Then I'm using a fork to put a design in it. Okay, that one gonna look like that. I'm gonna do another one just like that again. So it's your choice. So whatever you feel like to it, you just do it whatever you like. So then I turn it over there, then I cut it. Make sure the edge look nice and even. Okay, then I'm using a fork again to make a design. Okay, I'm going to put some egg in it. I'm going to put into the dough like that. Okay. You're going to put it in the oven for 250 for 25 minutes, or you wait until they turn brown, golden brown. Put it in there. And I already done some ahead to show you how this looks like turn out. And going to be turned out like that. That is the egg tart.